M5 Basic Vocabulary Lesson 3. Koko, koko, here, this place. Here is restaurant. Restaurant wa koko desu. Soko, soko, there, that place, near the listener. Restaurant is there. Restaurant is there. Restaurant wa soko desu. Restaurant wa soko desu. Asoko, that place, over there, far from both speaker and listener. Restaurant wa asoko desu. Restaurant is over there. Restaurant wa asoko desu. Doko, doko, where, what place. Where is famous bookshop? 有名な本屋はどこですか? 有名な本屋はどこですか? こちら、そちら、あちら. This way, that way, over there. This is a polite equivalent of koko, soko, and asoko. Use this in front of teachers, seniors, strangers, etc. どちら, which way, where. This is also polite equivalent of doko. Like, お手洗いはどちらですか? お手洗いはどちらですか? Where is toilet? The answer will be お手洗いはあちらです。お手洗いはあちらです。Toilet is over there. 教室、教室、classroom. 食堂、食堂、canteen, dining hall. 事務所、事務所、office. 会議室、meeting room, conference room. 受付、reception desk. ロビー、ロビー、lobby. 部屋、room、部屋。トイレ、お手洗い、トイレ、toilet、お手洗い、polite version, restroom. お手洗い is a polite version of toilet. 階段、staircase, 階段、エレベーター、lift, elevator, エレベーター、エスカレーター、escalator. 自動販売機、自動販売機、vending machine. 電話、telephone call, telephone handset. 大国、大国、country. 会社、会社、company. うち、house, うち。靴、shoes, 靴。ネクタイ、ネクタイ、ネクタイ。ワイン、ワイン、ワイン。売り場、売り場、デパートメントカウンター。地下、ベースメント。地下。階、階、floor. For example, 1階、first floor, 2階、second floor. 何階, what floor? 何階? in, yen, in. いくら, いくら, how much? 100, 100, 100. 1000, 1000, 1000. 万, 10,000, 万. すみません、すみません、excuse me. どうも、thanks. どうも、thanks. It's a casual way to say thanks. Now, some words for conversation. いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ。Welcome to a customer or a guest entering a shop or a restaurant. を見せてください. Please show me. For example, 靴を見せてください。Please show me shoes. じゃあ well じゃあ dash をください give me please. For example, これをください give me this please or それをください give me that please. 見てくれてありがとう皆さん Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. つぼみ日本語バイバイ